Today I'm going to show you how to make Nutella cupcakes only using 3 ingredients. You will need 250 grams of Nutella, 2 eggs and 50 grams of self-raising flour. Firstly, in a bowl add your Nutella and your eggs and mix until well combined. Then add in your flour and mix really well until you have a nice batter. Then in a pre-lined cupcake tray, you want to add your batter into each cupcake case. This recipe does make 9 cupcakes. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That is how you make Nutella cupcakes using only 3 ingredients.